Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you are a fitness freak and do exercise regularly, then this video is for you. In this video, I have shared the list of top 5 best supplements to gain muscle mass. All these supplements are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe.